Hi everyone, welcome back. This time it is Kheer or Paal payasam in slow cooker. This is the easiest recipe. Please follow the list of ingredients on the screen. All that I do is dump all these ingredients into slow cooker. No big science involved in here. Now I've added the rice, then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water, and then I add in the milk. I'm making a very small portion of kheer for thaipusam, and now I'm adding the milk in here. I've added 1 cup of milk and a teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is optional, but I'm telling you it will increase the taste of the kheer. It will give it added richness. As such, this kheer is going to be super rich and creamy. I'm setting it on low before going to work, and the kheer is going to be ready by the time I come. On low it will take around 4 to 5 hours depending on your slow cooker. There is no need to stir or babysit it while you're gone to work. That's the best part about slow cooker. I came back in the evening, found my kheer is done. Now I'm adding my dry fruits and nuts. It's ready to go. And just before I turn off my slow cooker, I'm going to add my sugar. Here I've chosen brown sugar. You can even add white sugar. After you add in the sugar, give it a good stir. And I like to add a teaspoon of milk powder. I learned it from another YouTuber about adding milk powder, and I tried it, and it really makes a huge difference. And again, this is optional. You don't have to add it, but if you add it, you will like it even more. You can see as such the kheer is super creamy. You can see the rice is almost melting down. It's delicious. It almost gives you the consistency of rabdi without doing all the hard work. And here you go, my kheer is ready. I'm going to offer it to Murugar and enjoy it with my family. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.